Boring. Boring.
Take it from me, you gotta try the French fries and soft serve ice cream, oh yes, sir.
This guy.
Oh yeah, it's the finest food this side of the USA.
Oh. What kind of animal would eat soft serve ice cream and French fries? Darian, what? Why didn't you all tell me about this? This might be the greatest taste I've ever had in my mouth in my entire stupid life. Have you tried French fries and ice cream? Let me know in the comments below and tag a friend that you think might like the most delicious food in the world.